I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet for Hahm, only way. Open Trust Wallet and choose Create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet to restore with your recovery phrase. Write the phrase down exactly and store it offline in a safe place. Enable PIN or biometric security. Fund the wallet with the appropriate token using the Receive button. Add custom tokens if needed by pasting the contract address and saving the token. To send Hahm, open the Hahm token in Trust Wallet and tap Send, then paste the recipient address carefully and check the first and last 4 characters. Enter the exact amount and review the network fee, remembering fees vary by network. Confirm with your PIN or biometric and wait for confirmations. If unsure, use a small test send first. Keep transaction ID handy to troubleshoot or check status on a Block Explorer. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort while securing crypto and checking addresses. Check the description for the link and other deals because I handpick useful items for long sessions. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Receiving Hahm is simple. Tap Receive in Trust Wallet, select Hahm, and copy or share your address or QR code with the sender. If Hahm is not visible, add it as a custom token by pasting the official contract address and setting the correct name and decimals. Always verify the token balance after confirmations and refresh the wallet view. Keep records of incoming transaction ID for your records or support inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.